Hi, my name is Martini and I'm a solutions architect at AWS. And in this video, I thought I would give like a little update of what's been happening since I've last created a video and since joining AWS for 7 months now. So I thought that would be cool for you guys just to know what I'm up to. All right, so first things first, what have I actually been up to? Well, apart from sort of doing my onboarding, so the probation phase of getting through the first 3 months, doing this thing called Awesome Builder where you have to build a project, present it to your peers, and actually present like the different technologies that I've used. I've also been working on some sort of more fun side voluntary projects. One project that I've worked that I think is really fun is this game, which is built on web using React, and you can have WebSockets, so many clients can speak to many other clients. You can have subscriptions, so you can post stuff to WebSockets. And it's a really fun multiplayer game, which is really fun. And I've never known how to make like games or multiplayer stuff before, so this was a really cool experience to do that. So this project that I'm working on is an internal app which will be used by thousands of employees, and they can essentially just upload some data, it does a bit of processing, and we display it on a really nice web page. The cool thing about this application was I got to learn a new technology, that's AWS CDK, and I absolutely love it. It is so good, and I really recommend you to go learn it. Long story short, it's infrastructure as code. You can use your normal sort of programming languages like TypeScript or JavaScript to be able to provision infrastructure, and that sort of includes all the beautiful tools that you might be used to, like your IDE, to be able to like auto complete different text. Just that stuff really helps, and I personally think it's better than Terraform, better than CloudFormation, and better than AWS SAM. So go check out AWS CDK. I love it. I'm gonna do a video on it pretty soon. And so yeah, so that's sort of what I've been up to, and I've kind of got to this point. So 6 months at AWS. It's weird because I feel like I still don't know much, but this is what I've gathered is no one really knows what they're doing at the start, and then you kind of like understand what you're doing, and then you realize you actually know nothing, and so you have to build that back up until you start to know something, and that process kind of repeats and rinses itself. So I found at the moment, when I first started, I knew nothing about how to go find answers to questions and stuff, but these last 6 months have been sort of me learning how to find a solution to customers' questions by going to do my own research and finding which resources will be able to answer what or who knows what, so that I can slowly build my own network of who to ask for what. And I think that's really important when you first start out your career, is realize that there is imposter syndrome. However, realize that you also have the ability to overcome that imposter syndrome by simply just doing it. And I know it sounds super silly, but like I've had a problem where I didn't know how to just search. I didn't know this specific feature about this one of our services, and you just have to go look for it. And I know that seems simple, but like I think that can sort of be applied to all your problems. Just go try and do it yourself. Bias for action and go do it. Anyhow, so the main point of this video for me is I want to know what you guys want so that I can make videos on that. I'm really down to do sort of like interviewing stuff or my experience on the internship and how to get it. I'm also really down to like build some applications and teach you guys more stuff about AWS. So AWS serverless is something I'm really keen about. AWS Amplify is super cool and super easy to host websites. So let me know, and I'm really down to do anything. So check in the comment. Peace.